Hello, welcome to Successful Trading. In this video, we are bringing you option trading strategy with examples that were used. This is going to be part of a long overdue series on trading options, trading strategies with options, because here at Successful Trading, this is something that we specialize in. So we have been meaning to really bring you up to the point, not just books, because you can have books on option trading strategies, but for us, we are bringing you really things that we have used, and on a weekly basis here, we have been showcasing them on some of our videos. So really, let's go ahead and dive in with option trading strategies examples on here today. So the first one of the series is going to be your beloved friend SPY. Let me move this on here. I just put this on here. This is something that some of you, if you are familiar with our channel, can we put that there? Okay, that's fine. On there, so SPY presents a unique opportunity for day trading option strategies. Yes, absolutely, because SPY has expiration on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And if you are new to option, you may be wondering, well, why? Well, SPY is very popular, that's why. But how is it relevant to you? It's relevant to you because we know that the price of options is cheaper at expiration. So what better than to find an instrument? That's what we are calling here. It's an instrument that's an investment instrument, if you will. So SPY is an ETF that for you and me to take advantage of SPY movement on the day of expiration, because the risk is going to be small. Yeah, it's going to be a low risk type of trade, a type of option trading, right? Why? Because it's nearing expiration. But more importantly for us, we have really fine-tuned this here to say that we want to focus this option trading strategy example that we're bringing you is going to be specific, tailored to doing one thing and one thing only: taking advantage of movement of SPY on Mondays between 11 Eastern. Yes, that's what it means here. This time at Eastern time. So for me in California, that's usually between 11:30 and 1 p.m. Now you could be asking here, hey, what's 4:15? I thought the market closed at 4 Eastern. Yeah, that was your reason to tune into this video. You learned something, maybe that should lead you to subscribe. Yeah, so we're gonna put something on here for you to subscribe. I'm taking notes of that on here. Yes, SPY and other ETFs, meaning exchange trading funds, that is, if you are new to trading, that would be SPY, the main ones, right? SPY, QQQ, IWM, that's the Russell 2K, the small cap, and the Dow Jones Industrial, ZIA. Those are the four, but there are other ETFs. But for us, really, those are the ones that we partake on. We're going to be bringing you knowledge on ETFs and how to take advantage of them sometimes, but not always trivial. The one that's really the daddy, the granddaddy of ETF is SPY, or some other people trade its counterpart, which is a little bit more, has more is more expensive as a raw ETF, is SPX 500. Yeah, so SPY will be trading in the 350 range, SPX is trading in the 3000 range. But when either one of them moves, they move violently, and you and I, we can take advantage of that no matter the direction. That's the aim of this video today, on showcasing option trading strategy with example, with the focus here for this first of this series being on SPY. So they are low risk. I'm going to show you how low of a risk, meaning low risk means that in layman terms, meaning you're putting in very small amounts of money, and super high reward refer to the percentage gain. Yeah, so meaning, yeah, some of you may have been trading option. I don't know what type of win percentage that you're used to, but here at Successful Trading, we have been showcasing, and I'm going to show you videos that are already recording on this on our YouTube channel, because you keep seeing them and you may be wondering, how is that possible? Or no, actually, not how is that possible? No. The first reaction that traders will have is that actually that's fake. Yeah, because we have had that feedback. So today, starting today, we're going to be taking the time to be bringing you day system. So here you have it, right? So SPY, Mondays, Wednesdays, and there's a typo here. It's a Mondays as well. Well, nope, that's Fridays, because SPY has 3 expiration. So most or all of the other options have expiration on Friday, right? QQQ, RWM, GIA, and all the stock that you know. But some stock have expiration monthly only, meaning the 3rd Friday of every month. That's what monthly means. But SPY gives us more opportunities, and for us, we are going to show you example of option trading strategies on here that we have taken on SPY for this video, and we are going to bring you others because you know we have other option trading strategy examples on here in this channel. So I'm just going to now that we put that out of the way, these are specific examples. So folks, these are actual trades. So I'm showing you the transcript of which data. I just copied it and we did here, shared inside of our Discord. So on the August, I'm taking to the most recent, right? So, before we do this, let's actually go to YouTube. Yeah, we can go to our YouTube, can we? And I'm going to show you, I'm just going to search 1000% win. Yeah, if I say 1000% win, okay, SPY video. So just, okay, here we go. Option trading, live Adobe 1000%. That's Adobe. We're going to show you that another time. Today is just SPY. Here's another one on here on Baba. Here, but for SPY, here's one here. Yep, this was October the 26th. How do I know? Because this is back-to-back Mondays. Ching-ching, remember this? Mondays. These were back-to-back Mondays. So on the 19th, and this is the one that we're going to show you, that July 13. I mean, there's so many. They're saying that we have 9 videos on here that you could see this technique, but there are more than that. And granted, not every single time we reach exactly above. When I've said 1000%, sometimes it's even higher. Let me showcase you very quickly here, as we want to wrap this off. So let's go back to our Discord and actually bring you this example, how you're able to get that. Okay, notice the time here, folks. So instead of starting at, let's say 2:30, we start a little bit early, 2 p.m. Eastern, yeah? Buying 10 contracts for SPY. They happen to be puts. And I can tell you that they were nowhere near in the money because, and look at the timestamp here. So we are buying them, first of all, we are buying them at 2 cents. That's the low risk we talked about. Or should we put super low risk? In terms of high reward, here's the reward. We start selling them at 20 cents. But I want you to look at the timestamp, 208, 301. They're the same contract, 340 puts, yeah? 20 cents from 2 cents. That's 10 times. And this one is more than 10 times. This is an example of very low risk, very high reward option trading strategy example. It cannot get any better than that. So is that the only one? No. I told you on the 26th. Unfortunately, I don't. Can I scroll all the way here? Most likely it's going to be in our update channel. But I want, while I'm here in the 10 bagger section, I know one that we have pinned already on SPY. We know one here. Here's one. I mean, it happens pretty much. It happens once a week, at least. So you have 3 opportunities, right? So we're gonna go back there and show you one type of potential budget allocation that you can have. So 5 cents here, folks. What time was it? This one here, it was quite early though. It was quite early here at the open, because so was the other variation of that. So with that, we're gonna show you as well, right? This one on here, it's around the open. So it's a strategy that we have taken on here. Is going to be part 2, part 3 of this series on trading strategies with options, because when you have strategies that are based on options, you can definitely be in control, and we will teach you of the amount of money that you are risking every time. But for us, by experience here, the reward has been so big. That's why you see so many 10 baggers. A 10 bagger is a trade where you got at least 900% profits. So, but they say 10 just because with your initial investment plus 900%, it gave it 1,000 overall in your bank percent, that is. So buying something here at 5 cents, yeah. So we bought a bunch of this contract because you're gonna see ticket that where we're selling more than the first year. We just use this as an illustration. So, and then we are selling them. This is a sell. close. So yeah, when we say sell, let's not confuse people. We do what we do here. We buy to open and sell to close. When I say sell, it's not that I'm selling premium. No, I am closing the position though by selling, taking profit on that. So selling here 30 cents on this batch of 5, and then we showed you all the way here, closing the position at 49 cents after buying it at 5 cents. So this is the type of thing that go on. Trust me, there are so many. I mean, the videos are there. This example that we pin here on YouTube, on our Discord channel, they are not. And this, we have other techniques where we can apply similar type of low risk, high reward on any type of stock. We will bring you that in the series. So for SPY on here, I don't know. Let's say somebody you want to put this into application. You can say, hey, you have a budget for each one of those weekdays. I don't know, your budget is, let's say, $50. Yeah. So you can even say, okay, so how will you be taking advantage of this? So for us, we teach people how to read bearish or bullish, meaning you need to know, let's say, how to determine that you're gonna get the calls or the put. But even then, if that's not the case, right? So you can tell yourself that, okay, you are going to allocate. This is just a rough example, right? So you're gonna say that you're going to allocate $25 to the calls, and then you're gonna say you can allocate $25 to the puts. Yeah, and your strike. So we can say that your strike for the puts and the call is going to be equal plus or minus 3 points. So meaning plus or minus, yeah, can we say slash minus 3 points? Okay, so that means that if SPY is trading at 350 during this window, up 3 points is going to be 353 calls, and the puts 347 puts, because I'm taking three points up or down. This is basic strategy on here. I mean, you can vary this. Obviously, you can say 2 points. Let's say the later it gets, the better. That's the thing about this. The later it's getting into the close, the better. We have seen this last Monday. Oh man, I need to show all of those videos. On the last Monday, for us on here, it was the last 25 minutes. So it was like 12:35. Yeah, we had that in our Discord in the updates. Can we show that? Yeah, it was 12:25 last Monday. Let me go here. It was a live trade on, was it a Monday? Was the 19th? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Textbook SPY trade at expiration. Here's the chart of the option. Took partial profit at 26 cents. Keep riding. Yeah, this thing went to almost close to $1. It was November the 18th. So November the 8th. What day are we now? So it was Wednesday. It was last Wednesday. Yeah. This is me relating it live here. So 700%, 450%. That's the same trade that from the moment that we got. And look at the entry. November 18th, 357 puts. 4 cents, 4 to 5 cents. Let's quickly close on here, because I always, you know what I like to do, right? I cannot just talk of something. Oh boy, trading view that aggressive with the Black Friday. Is Bitcoin at all-time high yet? Just wake me up when it's at all-time high. We made a video yesterday on this. So this was SPY. We just want to go to the 15-minute chart very quickly on here to show you what it looks like on a chart. Yeah, on the 18th, this is it, folks. These were the puts, the 357 puts. So we're gonna show you the timestamp when we took the trade, because then you will really be able. So let me bring back and really, and so that I know that the video is dragging, but I want to drive a point on here, because, so look at the timestamp on here, 12:35. Yeah, oh yeah, 12:35. So November 15, 357 put for 4%, 12:35, meaning we are 25 minutes away from the close, the regular close. You add 15 minutes extra for SPY. And where's my chart now? I'm losing my chart. I'm losing my English. Okay, 12:35 minutes. This candle here, folks. This candle here, for people who trade with us, we know why it's bearish. Actually, the trend has been bearish for a while. But here, they settle for, you have to be patient, folks. Trust me, in order to make this money in this market. So here was this from this candle on, were the 4 to 5 cents contract on November the 18th. They went all the way to 70 something cents. It was over a $10. So, but you could have taken your profits. As for us, we were scaling our profits here. So I had to sell it because it got in the money. So for 700%. So folks, we hope this video was overdue on option trading strategies with examples. We're going to continue to bring you a series on option day trading strategies where we control the risk, because we will know how much we're spending using an allocation of budget such as this one, and with high probability of making 1,000% like you have seen on those videos. We hope that you learned something from this, and we are looking forward to bringing you other examples. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye, everybody.